Do you know what is the perfect lighting solution for indoor stadiums, workshops, warehouses, and other industrial places? Toby works at a stadium, and he chooses ShineLong UFO Highbay Lights because of their unique UFO design that's compact, with small volume and weight. What's more, these lights meet EMC requirements. There's no RF interference, and their cooling fins and forging technique bring superior heat dissipation and long lifespan. They're so energy efficient that they save up to 80% compared to other solutions, and their tempered glass and aluminum alloy can safely withstand shock, vibration, and extreme temperatures. UFO High Bay lights come with a hook installation, making both installation and replacement easy. And on top of everything else, they look very attractive too. And where can you get these great lights? At ShineLong website. So visit us now, check out our products, and get the ones that will serve you best.